the painful reality of soaring energy rates.
As a homeowner, the financial squeeze is real, and it's hitting hard. Brace yourself for a stark truth: our state is bleeding money, and it's you who's footing the bill. Picture this: a relentless stream of newcomers flooding in from out of state, an influx that's pushing your energy rates to unprecedented heights. A staggering 3% surge every single month, accumulating into a crushing 43% surge over just the past 2 years.
And there's more. Ever wondered why you're now coughing up a hefty fuel charge? Well, let me enlighten you. Your electricity is being shipped in all the way from the Carolinas, racking up those digits on your bill. That's right, you've experienced a gut-wrenching 43% surge in your electric bill, and I'm willing to bet you've felt the pinch.
Hold on to your seat, because it's not just you. The numbers don't lie. TECO has ruthlessly jacked up rates by a mind-numbing 63% over the last 5 years. Duke, they're not far behind, hitting you with a relentless 43% surge in just 2 years. FPL, they've had their share too, a mere 25% increase, and guess what? They've got the audacity to slap on another spine-chilling 18% as we speak.
Take a moment to reflect. Have you watched your hard-earned dollars vanish into thin air? Florida's becoming the cash cow for the Carolinas, and the situation is dire. Those sunny days? They're overshadowed by mounting bills, and it's not going to stop. Florida's allure is undeniable, and that's no secret. A ton of homeowners are packing their bags and settling in, and you know what that means? An ever-growing demand for energy, a demand that's adding weight to your already straining wallet.
Wake up, Florida. It's time to stop bleeding money and start making a change that counts. Switch to solar, seize control of your energy destiny, and tell those jaw-dropping bills to take a hike. It's not just about a brighter tomorrow, it's about safeguarding your hard-earned cash from being sucked into the abyss. Ready to break free from this relentless cycle? Let's talk solar, the antidote to this financial onslaught. Say goodbye to being held hostage by fluctuating rates and distant power sources. Your energy future is within reach, and it's time to reclaim your financial peace.
The clock's ticking, and every second counts. Reach out today and let's transform your financial pain into empowered gain.